I done got me a package, honey. I done got my wig, y'all, so I want to do my first unboxing for you guys. This is some hair that I ordered. This is a wig that I ordered, and I'm so excited. I've been waiting for it for a minute. So in the description box down below, I'll have all the stuff, you know, the cost of it, because I paid my own money for this, honey. I paid my own money for this. And when I say it almost ran me like $400, I hope it's worth it. But I did buy this thing myself, so let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy, baby. Okay, we are back here with another banger, baby. Okay, y'all, I'm excited. Ooh, it feel like Christmas. It feel like Christmas, baby. All right, so boom, baby. When you open a package, this hair is from Yolissa, and it comes the hair. Now this bag low key kind of stink. I ain't gonna sit here and hold you, baby. Well, I took everything out the package. It's just they got everything wrapped up in this thing right here. So this is the little silk bag that it came in, and on the inside, it smells kind of weird. Y'all ain't gonna sit here and cap. It comes with an elastic band right here. I'm guessing for the back of the wig. It comes with the deluxe wig caps, and it comes with 2 wig caps on the inside. And it also comes with a pair of eyelashes. Ooh, sis, pop out. Hold on. That's some free lashes. This is what we love to see, sweetie. Okay, Yolissa, you done got a few points for that one. Thanks. And again, I guess this is the bag that I will be storing the wig in. So right here is Water Wave. This is the Water Wave 13x6 frontal, 26 inches with the cap size medium and 250 density. This is their Water Wave hair from Yolissa. So coming straight, smelling the pack, it smells like regular beauty supply hair. This is what it comes in. It comes in a protected net along with the paper and stuff on the inside. Okay, y'all, so for the structure of the wig, this is a 13x6 frontal, so the part is gonna go way back to the crown of my head, and this is a medium size cap size. I suggest that if you feel like you got a big head, I would just say stick with the medium, because the medium has a lot of space in it. So unless you got like a massive ogre head or something like that, just get the medium. You'll be fine, because it's really loose. This area is really loose. It did come with some combs. I think it has 3 combs in it, and then the adjustable straps in the back, which I feel like will be necessary with this wig, because like I said, it is very loose. And this is what the wig looks like in its entirety. This hair took a minute for it to come to me just because of the whole coronavirus situation. So this hair took a lot longer than expected, and I am getting this. Y'all see this? This is supposed to be transparent lace, and it's supposed to be pre-plucked already. It's still pretty dense for it to be pre-plucked. And this is the amount of shedding that I have gotten just opening the package. I don't know how to feel about it, just because I'm just like, okay, it is curly hair. It's really dense. This is the highest density they had, so maybe it was just, you know, a few hairs coming off of it. But I don't know. Okay, y'all, so I done finger combed through this hair for a minute, and I'm like, my first initial reaction, like, nah, see that all the shedding was happening. I was kind of like, well, now you gotta be considerate of the fact that it is curly hair. It is actually a wig. This is my first time ever having a wig, so I'm over here like, oh baby, Nat, relax. I know you used to making your own stuff, but you trying to step out, and this is what happens. Okay, definitely do a video of me bleaching the knots and trying to tone, you know, bleaching knots and plucking all the extra stuff, you know, We'll do a little something to it. That's just really just the end of my unboxing of my Yolissa hair. I definitely will keep you guys updated. I know my first initial reaction was like, ooh. All the videos and all the reviews that I've watched, everybody said the wig is so good, the wig's so bomb, and so this, so that. So I'm just like, okay. There's a lot of hype over this wig, so I really hope it holds up to the standards of what it needs to be, because but one thing I did not like that I did not get in my package is the caretaker thing. I don't like the fact that I did not get, you know, anyway, how to take care of the wig or whatever, because see, I am a first time user of me buying a wig. So it's like, you know, we need stuff like that, Yolissa. So, you know, if you ever see it, I needed a card. I don't know how to take care of this wig on that one. So stay tuned for the transformation of this wig, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. No, it's not a guess. I guess I will see you in the next one, baby. You subscribe, because I am gonna see you in the next one. Okay, all right, bye.